Another thing we study in ecology is the movement of non-living matter. So, for example, water, and we've learned about this in other classes like earth science, so I won't get into it too much, but water goes through cycles. It's constantly moving, and that constant movement of this solvent, we've talked about water as the universal solvent, because it is always moving, you can think of Earth like a giant chemistry set. And water is constantly mixing things, and that is part of the reason why life is possible on this planet. So water running off of mountains, for example, can help to dissolve minerals found in the rock, and that can contribute to life as we know it. Water, there can be runoff from surface runoff, and then it can flow into rivers and streams. It can wind up in the ocean, and then evaporation is when that water is going to turn into gas form and go back into the clouds. When it goes back into the clouds, I feel like I should write this. So when it evaporates, it'll go back into the clouds, and that process of forming clouds is called condensation. And then those clouds will get heavy, and eventually they will rain, and that is called precipitation. And the fresh water will be sort of restored. So I won't get much more into it than that. But yes, water is a very important cycle that ecologists need to study.